Hi everyone! So today we are doing our part 1 of our BTS pilgrimage, and we started a bit late because we were tired from yesterday, but it's currently I think 1:30 and we're gonna go now. Guys, we're here! Ito na siya. Naglakad lang kami ng saglit. Pag nagbawa ng bus. Let's go! Guys, we're on the way to the old Big Hit building. And pataas na lang siya, guys. Taas na naman. So, be prepared. We're gonna walk uphill. So, yeah. We are at the old Big Hit building. Finally.
Ayan o si I2B.
Yung iba umaakit pa eh.
Blue pala dapat yun.
Now we're on the way to Yuga, which is their old dorm na gawin again.
Sana.
Here. Ito na siya. Yuga. Ito, Yuga. Oh.
Lapit ka man kay Jika.
We are at Hive. Ito nasa likod.
Building yung
Hive.
pinag-anak.
Just guys, we're at the Hive building. Kita, we're at the Hive building. Tagal.
Kaya ito yung mga taong dumagal, hindi siya makakala.
Do you think there's still people in there? Mangi, burn Hive. Sa harap namin. Pero bago pumasok, syempre, we respect their workplace. Gusto ko lang makita. Hindi ko na alam ang ginagawa. Tcharam!